Hello everyone, the festive season is around and we are busy. Some of us celebrate Diwali, some are getting ready for Thanksgiving, and this time like we are so busy doing like shopping, and some of us are making sweets and desserts around. So we have to plan the lunch and the dinners as well together with all those preparations. So today I'm going to just go for like a quick recipe, and if you are a lover of like the international dishes, like you can are ready to try everything, then here is one for you. So I am going to make pasta, but it's like with a touch of like the regular, like the noodles we make, the vegetable noodles. So it's kind of my version of pasta, but in the future I'm going to share a couple of more pasta recipes with you, but here is the very one from my style. So let's see how it's gonna come out. For making pasta, we need 2 cup of pasta, and I have grated here half tomato, half onion, and I have mixed capsicum. There are some green, red and yellow, and then half cup carrots and sliced like in flat shape. Then here I have ketchup, so I mixed the normal ketchup and the sweet and hot ketchup together, so it's like 1 tablespoon plain one and then the half tablespoon spicy one. Then I have 2 teaspoon soya sauce, and here I have Hakka noodles masala. So you can use any like the whatever regular noodles you buy, you always get like some masala in the pouch, so you can use that one. And the other thing you need is the stock in which we boil the pasta. So I would say keep like a cup and then add accordingly, like what consistency you want. So what I did, I already boiled the pasta. It's here. So what I do, usually I boil the pasta like for 10 minutes in like a salted water, and then when I drain the water, I just put a little olive oil mixed with the pasta. So you can follow whatever instructions on your packet if you are buying the pasta from store. So let's now start our process of making. So I have heated here half tablespoon of olive oil, but you can use any oil. So I'm just going to do it like on high flame. You don't have to fry the onions, but it has to be like roughly hot. Then at this point, add all carrots and capsicum. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little like kind of that masala in here, and just we have to like it once they get like little softer. So what I'm going to do, just close the lid for like a minute or 2 minutes, and once it's softened, we'll do like add the ketchup and everything. So the vegetables are like half cooked. See how it looks nice. I have different kind of capsicums, yellow, green, red, all making this pasta colorful. At this point I'm going to add like grated tomato. You can use tomato puree, but it's very little, like I use just half of the tomato, and I'm just gonna wait until it started sizzling. Yeah, so see, it started sizzling. At this point, I'm going to add all my pasta. And I'll add the soya sauce. And then I have to add pasta. Now I'm putting ketchup and mix it. Then put masala. And there is one more thing. If you want, like I already put this spicy ketchup in here. But if you want a little more spicy, then you can add chili powder. I'm not going to add it because I like not too much spicy. So I'm not adding it. And at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of this stock from the pasta I boiled. So I'll just let it simmer in this stock for like 2 minutes and then it's ready to serve. So I just simmered it for 2 minutes and now it's ready to serve. I just simmered it so that all the flavors can get inside the pasta. So now it's ready to serve. Okay, so now after all this, let me taste my pasta. So I'm trying to grab all the vegetables. Perfect. I can taste all the flavors of vegetables, sauces and spices in here, and it came really good. So I like this quick recipe because the good thing about this is, like everything, there is no hard and fast rules. So vegetables you can adjust like whatever amount you want you can put, and then same with the soya sauce and the ketchup. If you like more, you can add more, and then how much spicy you want, you can add that. I didn't added the salt, but if you feel like you need more salt, then you can add the salt as well. So now mine is ready. I'm eating it. Now it's your turn to try this one and make your own and share your experiences with me. And let me know if you try something new with this recipe. Just share with me. I'm going to try next your version. So I will meet you on next video. Till then, bye bye.